You're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I'm Confidence, a mommy vlogger based here in Abuja, Nigeria. If today is your first time seeing my pretty face, you're highly welcome. Please relax and enjoy this video. So for my returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you, and happy Christmas in advance. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for all the things you guys have been doing on my channel. It's not really easy, but you guys have been there, okay? And I don't take it for granted. Like, seriously, I really appreciate you guys for all your hard works, all your consistency on my channel, and I say may God bless you all for me, okay? So finally, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the secret power of honey. Yeah, I've not talked about it, and a lot of people ask me why. So I am really sorry. I am here today to talk about the secret power of honey. Yeah, honey is everything we use normally every day. For me, I don't know about you, but me and my family, we normally use this honey almost every day. Yeah, we can benefit from honey in many ways. Honey is something that is everybody knows about honey, but some of us, we don't know the secret power that is behind honey. And I'm here today to tell you, to share with you guys the secret power of honey. But before I proceed, tell me that I'm looking beautiful. Yes, even though you don't tell me, I know, but I just want you to tell me, Confidence, you are looking so beautiful today. Okay, thank you in advance. So here we have our honey, and before I tell you the secret of honey, I want you to know something. I want you to know the how to know when you are buying original honey and the fake honey. Please, I said original honey and the fake honey. So this one I have now with me is the correct original honey. My people, they brought it from village to me here for my work, basically for my work and for my family use as well. Because when you come to my house, you will surely see honey in my house. So this honey now, when if you want to know the original honey, please, when you go to the market, shake it very well. If it is thick, like this, you can see that this one is very thick. As you are seeing, this thing is very heavy on my hand. If it is thick, my dear, you are buying the original honey. But if it is watery, you are buying a crack honey. You are buying fake honey. Honey is not meant to be like water, liquid like this. It's liquid, but it's supposed to be a little bit thick. That is when you will know original honey, okay? So let's go into the video. Let's dive into the video, okay? So this honey now, you can benefit from it. As a lady watching this video, the best gift you can give to your husband is giving your husband honey every morning before he steps out from the house. How you are going to do it? Is you go to the kitchen, you boil a little quantity of water inside the kettle. Then after that, when the water boil, bring down the water. Go and get a glass cup, white glass cup. It must be a white glass cup. You pour in a small quantity of that hot water inside that glass water. You take 2 tablespoons of honey and put it inside that place, inside that cup. Then you turn it. As you are turning it, you are making a wish. As you are turning it, you are blessing your husband. As you are turning it, you are blessing his going out and his coming back of the day. As you are blessing, you are telling the universe to prosper your husband. You are telling the universe to come down for your husband's sake. You are telling the universe to make way for your husband, to make way for prosperity. You are praying, you are making a wish, a good wish to your family as well, to your children as well. After that, you give your husband that water to drink. He will drink it and come back and give you testimony. If he has shop, you will make a lot of sense in that shop that day. If he is in office, my dear, you will see how everybody will love your husband. His opinion will matter in that premises. His opinion will matter in that premises. People will like to associate with him. People will like to hear from him before they take any action. It works like magic. Try it and see. Try it and give me your testimony. And as for a wife, as a girl, as a lady watching this video, what you need to do with honey is make sure you take 1 tablespoon morning and night. Morning and night. You are going to do yours for a week. If you are going to meet your husband, okay, if you are planning to meet your husband maybe next tomorrow, start from yesterday. Morning and night. Morning and night. Be drinking it oh. Don't put it anywhere. Just be drinking it. If preferably you drink it like, as assuming you want to make your tea, do not put your sugar inside it. Rather put honey. But it works perfectly well when you are taking it raw like this. You use 1 tablespoon to take it. My dear, that day that you meet your husband, he will confess all his sins to you. He will confess all his sins, all his secrets that he has been hiding for you. He will tell you all the secrets. I am laughing because it seems funny, but it works like magic. Yes. As a lady, you need honey at home. Even as a single mother, even as a single girl, you need honey at home. Be taking it morning and night. If you have enough honey, continue taking it. It doesn't have any, oh, I take this in for 7 days, take this one for 2 days. No, continue if you have enough honey. But because honey is somehow expensive, some of us cannot afford it. You can take it maybe every week. You take like 3 times in a week. Then you will see the magic power behind this honey. You will see how everything is going to fall into your favor. More especially your husband. Instead of you giving your husband coffee in the morning, instead of you giving your husband tea in the morning, why not try give your husband honey in the morning to take before he goes to work? Yes. So for you to, that energy, that same energy, you go to kitchen and make pap, we make tea or coffee for him. Why not use it and prepare honey drink for him to just take it and go to work? He will not come back again with bad luck. He will not come back again to complain for you. He will come back and to celebrate you as a wife. Do it for your husband. Sometimes our man, they don't normally put their head down to listen to all this. But you as a wife, you have to direct him in a way to go. That is your work. Do this for your husband. Do this because of your marriage. Do this because you want a happy home. Do this because you want to be Oriako. In Igbo language, there's something we call Oriako. You understand? Do this because you love your family. Do this, you want to liberate your husband. Your husband is going to find favor when he continues taking this constantly. No stopping. Let it be his morning routine. Okay? And I am sure that you will come back and give me a testimony. It works really like magic. It is the power of honey. We use honey to bath. We use honey to do a lot of things. But try this routine. It's a secret that I'm sharing with you. It's a secret that I'm sharing with you. And hopefully you will come back with your testimony. And I'll be glad to welcome you as well. I love testimonies. Okay? Thank you so much for watching me up to this point. But if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, auntie and brother, what are you waiting for? Don't you like this face? Don't you like confidence? Share this video. Comment on my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification so that each time, any day, anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay? And I will see you in my next video. But for now, take care. Celebrate Christmas with joy, love, and everything good. Bye. See you next time. Mwah.